Tatami rooms are a traditional Japanese flooring system that offer a unique and elegant touch to any space. Made from natural materials such as woven rush straw, tatami mats are not only visually appealing but also offer several practical benefits. In residential settings, tatami rooms provide a comfortable and inviting space for relaxation and rest. They can also be used in living rooms or other common areas, offering a cozy and inviting atmosphere for family and friends. In commercial settings, tatami rooms can be used in yoga studios or meditation spaces, providing a calming and peaceful environment for practitioners. Tatami rooms often include traditional Japanese design elements such as shoji screens or paper lanterns, adding to their unique and elegant appeal. For further details on tatami rooms and how they can be installed in your home or business, please contact Japan Homes. Whether in residential or commercial settings, tatami rooms offer a versatile and practical flooring option that can add a touch of traditional Japanese elegance to any space. Contact Japan Homes Limited today to learn more.